Hi, my name is Runda Gupta, and I'm a CA article right now at CB Bhargava and Company. Prior to this workshop, my access to AI was only to ChatGPT. That too, I used to give very vague prompts, and I had to give it again and again and again, which is very exhausting. So now it is very good. I have understood how to apply the prompts and how specific I need to be.
What finally made you decide to invest time and money in attending the workshop instead of just learning from YouTube or ChatGPT on your own?
See, I'm not a very tech savvy person. What I need is someone who can teach me how to use certain AI tools, and then only I can apply it in my life and at my work also. My boss I came with, he only introduced me to this workshop, and yes, it has been a very good 2-day workshop, and it has been very informative also.
Or was the moment during the workshop where something really clicked for you?
So the cloud cowork tool is very helpful. We actually have to do GST reconciliations and tax notices also. So it gives me a very apt and very quick view of how I need to proceed with my work. So that has been a very good tool and also.
So what did you get from this workshop that you couldn't have gotten from an online course or self-study?
The ease with which Ritesh sir has provided us the information on how to use the tools could not have been given from YouTube. I have started using the prompts which are very specific to what I need. I do not need to. I used to give like if I need to know about a section on Google from the I used to give it that I need to know the information regarding it. But now what I will do is that I need this information because I'm working on a particular project, and then it will give me subsidized answers.
So if a business owner told you they were thinking about this workshop but weren't sure, what would you say to them?
I'll definitely ask them to go for it because it is going to be worth their time and it will definitely help them improve their business operations.
So in few words, how would you describe the workshop to someone who's never heard of it?
Quick, efficient, and very much not boring at night.